welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. Today I'm working on extreme kitchen makeover. As you can see, my kitchen is not pretty at all, but you know I always make it work. This is the before and that's the after, and I'm so in love with it. It's so pretty. It look big right now, so everything is perfect. Okay guys, let's get to work. I start by painting my cabinets because you know they're white, and then I want to be super extra clean, so I paint them. I painted my sink, and then I changed my kitchen faucet because I didn't like it at all. Now I'm putting my contact paper. I started by cleaning the countertop because you don't want to put the contact paper on a dirty surface. So there's a lot of footage that I didn't put. I didn't realize that I wasn't recording, so I just said, okay, that's okay. I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, guys. So it's not easy to add the contact paper if you're not patient. So let me tell you, this job is not for you. For some reason, I started with a card. It was damaging my contact paper, so I switched it to a towel because the towel suiting it perfect with the towel. So my recommendation, if you want to do it, it's better if you use a towel or something other thing than a card, because the card didn't work for me. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. Guys, let me tell you, there's a beauty in everything. It's the way you see it. I'm a lady boss, I'm a boss mom, so I always make it work. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Now I'm gonna let the music play. I hope you enjoy it. Keep on watching.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from this high. When I'm with you, when I'm with you, this high.
Now I'm adding my backsplash. It's super inexpensive. If you want the look, if you want budget and you still want your thing to look pretty, so there's a way for it. No, I wasn't in the mood spending a lot of money, and it's turned out so great. This is a finished look. Guys, I can tell you I'm so in love with it. This is my faucet. Oh my god, it's pretty. Look at my sink. Oh my god, the sink is it's like brand new. And I'm sorry I didn't put the footage the way I painted. So I'm gonna do my bathroom. So if you want to see the way I did my kitchen sink, so don't forget to stay tuned. The light change with the water temperature. I really like the way the kitchen turns out. It's so lovely. If you guys like it too, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, okay? You have to come very, very close to see it's a wallpaper. It looks so good from the way it was and the way it is right now. I'm truly satisfied. Keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.